Hello guys, it's aviation here. There's a Woodgate aviation landing and then a star takeoff. I'm going to cut right to that as soon as this lands. So you can hear the loud ass engines over there. Sorry, these videos I make could be a bit of cursing, but it's alright. Woo! Woo, sweet! And there's a loud ass fucking star. I hope this video doesn't get taken down, I shouldn't swear. Yeah, I'm not really used to holding my phone like this a lot, but like, that's why it's really shit. Why is it so, okay, never mind. Why is it so bright? It's not even bright, it's like fucking 8 o'clock, bro. Yo, that is shit. Oh, look, it's got the underscore there. Star air. Nice. Is there any other one? Oh, yeah, sorry, it was just like behind me. Why is it? Are you gonna move? You fat ass, come on. Jesus. Ooh. Yeah, the engine's on that. Freaking flies on my fingers. Fucking eat my oh shit, sorry. Flipping eating my fingers away. I just promised myself I wouldn't swear, but I guess I just did on accident. Ooh, crap, this is loud. Crap is a nice word, it just means doo-doo. That's in behind. What the? Bro, what is that? What is that? Maybe I should, yeah. Oh, that's loud. Away on, mate. Go on. Keep her that way, lad. Why? Bro, I sound so cringe. But okay. Bro, my zooming really sucks when you change the settings and that. But yeah, that's about it. Bye-bye.